All right, welcome back to Norton Tesla. Dan here with another Tesla quick tip. And this one is one of my favorites, yet it is the most underrated and lesser known feature about owning a Tesla. And it's so easy and so useful. It is basically you can send an address from your phone to your car. And it's so easy. Let me show you how to do it. All right, all you have to do is head over to any map app that you use. Type in an address where you want to go. It'll bring it up, and then you hit the share icon, and you'll see Tesla. Share it. It's that easy. If you don't see Tesla, swipe right for more options, and the same thing should work for Android. And then when you walk to your car, the navigation will be preloaded, and if you have FSD, it'll take you right to your destination. How awesome is that? All right, as you can see, it's so easy, and I use this feature all the time. If you like this video and found it helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of when I release videos, especially with these quick tips. These are kind of unknown features and unknown tips that you're really not going to know how to search. Therefore, you have to subscribe. That's the only way you're going to get them. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric.